Hello everyone, this is Elvi from Durmapress. Today I will introduce our latest press brake. It's a hybrid electrical press brake.
It has servo bump control, unlike common hydraulic press brake. It's more fuel efficient, noise-free, and requires little maintenance on the oil cylinders. Our motor can move to correct position in a very short time, while in the plus one axis greatly improves processing speed. We have been committed to creating leading machines, more energy saving, more intelligence. We look forward to sharing our new designs with you. If you are interested, please contact us. See you!